Hello guys, it's Jimmy, and today I'm back with another banger. And today I'm gonna be going over a couple of starters. It seems like a starter day today. And if y'all see me, I'm back in my long sleeve and everything like that. It is Florida, but if y'all know how Florida is, Florida changes weather up in a minute, like I mean fast. So just yesterday I was in a tank top, and today I'm in some long sleeves. But I got this starter right here on this 98 Camry, I believe. No, not 98, it's a 08 Camry. It's an 08 Camry. I got this starter to replace, and I got the tune up to do on it. Customers already got all the parts for it, everything sitting in the back seat. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pull all of this stuff out, break this thing down, and get it going. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so what you've seen that I just did, I just snatched out the battery cable. I just snatched out the battery and the air intake. All was in place by 10 millimeter. I went on ahead and removed those 10 millimeters, and I put them back into place so I would know exactly where they go at the time it's removed. Reinstallation. You remove this, you want to make sure you do have your battery. I got a on there, there's the back turn wrap, my man. If y'all below my tool, wonderful tool, go ahead and now that I'm this switch right there goes and start. Went on ahead and popped it in. Come to find out it was the wrong CV. Not gonna take you guys step by step of reinstalling this thing, but I will time lapse for you, throw a little great music in the background. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and if there's any updates y'all would like to see, just tag them in the comments below and I'll get them updated. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get this music going. Alrighty guys, now we have it's not the damn keys. What the damn keys. Obviously the keys are not in here. Oh, there's the keys. Stay tuned too guys, we do have another job coming up as well. I will be joined, but it will be another video, so if you guys would like to see that coming up. But got the starter all in there, batteries back connected, air intakes all in there. So let's go ahead and give this thing a start and see what she does. And she starts. So guys, that's the end of this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and if you guys got any updates on this car you would like to see, or any other cars, or you would like to get your cars worked on, just contact me in the description below. And I'm gonna be out of here guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Same day, same video, just got another call for another starter. It's a starter day like I said. So we're gonna go ahead and shoot up here and get this starter going guys. Hop on the dash and let's slide. So like I said, it is a starter type of day, and so I had broke this thing down out of this Chrysler 300. And it was a pretty hell of a job. Had just disassembly the rack and pinion to get the drive, well not the drive shaft, what am I talking about, but to get the steering column out of there. So I went on ahead and broke all of this down, got that starter removed. So now what I'm doing, lining these other two starters up, making sure these things are two right starters, because like I said before, you always want to check your parts out before, line them up, look at them, make sure they bolt up the same place and everything, because that's the worst thing you want to do is get the wrong part and start installing it and then figure out it's the wrong part. Trust me, I've been there. You guys don't even want to do that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and grab this new starter, start getting this thing back reinstalled. Dick talk. Nigga get wrong, let the stick talk. Hey guys, but like I was saying though, back with the wonderful iPhone, and it's back together and it's completed. It just got this ugly little plastic on it. I know it's kind of bright. Got the GoPro light in the guy. Y'all see how bright it is. Shout out to GoPro with the light. But once you peel this off, everything's good to go. I'm finna go drop this thing off, and this will be a wrap for the night. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.